Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Now the next question is, in the given figure, PO is perpendicular to AB. If x is to y is to z is 1 is to 3 is to 5, find the degree measure of x, y and z. आपको PO और AB दोनों perpendicular given है, x, y, z की ratio given है, x, y, z की actual values हमें find out करनी है. Let us see the solution. First of all, the first thing that is given to us is OP and AB. They are perpendicular to each other. So OP is perpendicular to AB. इस वजह से हम ये कह सकते हैं that angle POA is equal to 90 डिग्री. परपेंडिकुलर का मतलब ये है कि 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है, तो इससे POA 90 डिग्री का होगा. Now next thing that we are given is the ratio of x, y, z. So x is to y is to z is 1 is to 3 is to 5. इससे हम ये कह सकते हैं the three angles x, y and z are A, 3A और 5A. हमने सबको सपोज कर लिया, x को A and y को 3A and z को 5A. अब angle POA is equal to the sum of all the three angles x, y and z. So angle POA is equal to x plus y plus z. We know that POA is equal to 90 degree, which gives us A plus 3A plus 5A, that is 9A. Now A is equal to 90 by 9, that is equal to 10. अब x, y and z की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम जहां जहां पर A है वहां पर 10 की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. So x is equal to A, that is 10 degree, y is equal to 3A, that is 3 into 10, 30 degrees, and z is equal to 5A, which is equal to 5 into 10, 50 degrees. So x, y and z हमारे पास आ गए 10, 30 and 50.